Hey guys, Alex here. I want to present you the Antminer mass deployer tool that I've been working on. It allows you to mass deploy to T9 Plus and S9 in your network. You just put the IP in a list and click the executable. It's going to copy the necessary files to allow you overclocking and disabling fan check on both versions of the machines. We offer a paid version for the commercial users or people which are going to use this on more than 100 machines. We offer a free version as well. If you want to try it out, it allows you, it has all the features, but you're limited to 10 machines per session. So you're going to need to restart the application after changing the IP list, and that can be tedious when doing it to more than 100 machines. So yeah, this is all it is. You can download it here, and I'm going to show you quickly how this looks. I already downloaded it. There's a small glitch which I found while I was testing. If you're going to install it to the default location for some Windows versions, including Windows 10, you're going to need to run the application as administrator in order to copy files from the program files folder to the miners. And also you're going to have problems when editing the IP list. You need to run the text editor as administrator as well, because these are the rules inside Windows. And to solve this problem, I have created another folder in a different drive, different from the program files. So I call it Antminer custom. And there you won't have any problems editing the files or running the application. So you can put it in D drive or even in C, but not in program files. I'm going to check if I can do something to solve this problem in the future, but for now it works very well as it is. So here you have the IP list, and here you have the configuration for the username of the SSH, if you're going to use a different port or a different username, and password. You don't need to change the miner type. I implemented something to detect it automatically. And here you have the IP list. You can put like this. And when you run the application, it's going to check if the IP is reachable, and if it can reach it, detect which miner version it is, and it's going to tell you if there are any errors encountered when trying to deploy to those machines. And at the end, you are going to get the status on how many machines you had in the IP list and how many succeeded. After the deployment is done, you can press any key twice, and then you can check the miner. It's going to reboot the miner to load the BM miner properly. And inside miner configuration page, you have the new options in. You can disable the fan check. You need to be cautious with this. Here you can customize the voltage for overclocking and also the frequency. So you are going to play with the frequency, and if it's not reaching the hash rate that is supposed to reach it, you can increase the voltage. Having the voltage at the minimum is at best. We found that it consumes less power and it produces less heat. So try to find the smaller voltage per terahashes that you want to do. So that's about it. It's the same thing on T9 Plus. The only thing is that you have different Antminer. So you have here Antminer for T9 Plus and Antminer for S9. And of course you have the template with the settings to you can adjust here if you want to do a mass deploy with different settings. You can do it here. You can set the voltage, the customized voltage, and also the frequency right here. So if you edit this template, these are the settings that are going to be applied. Yeah, it is going to keep all the settings that you have in the on the miners already, so you don't have to go and set all the miners, because some of you use different users, different workers for each miner, and that can be tedious when doing this kind of deployment. So go ahead and buy this tool. Is going to help us a lot to keep working on this kind of tools. We have a lot of ideas that we want to implement, which will help in a production environment, but yeah, we need your support. So let me know in the comments if you have any ideas on which kind of features you would like to see in this tool. If you are going to need an interface at all, for me it's very easy in the console, but some users might prefer a GUI. So if that's the case, let me know in the comments. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.